Hey everyone, it's Dawn here. Since I'm already here and making videos, I just got done with the MCM5. I wanted to see who all is coming to Marty's 2023 EUC tour. It will be his fifth and last tour. He says positively this time it's the last one, even though he said that before, but I don't know, I kind of believe him now. Anyways, it starts, I don't know, oh gosh, I suck at this. Starts October 14th, goes on for 7 days straight, 7 days in a row, and it's over 400 miles of EUC riding and fun. He made a separate Telegram group, and so join the Telegram group and we'll make plans and stuff, because we can plan to do after parties and I don't know, dinner and after parties and stuff like that afterwards. I plan on going all 7 days like last year, and if there are after parties, if there's food, and if there's boba, I will be there for all the boba's runs. Food, I love food, so probably count me in for food, but only yummy food. And after part, I don't know if we're real big partiers, but oh wait, no, we're a totally fun group. We party all the time. Anyways, all of that will be in his Telegram group. Also Marty's website, he will be updating that, and you can read up on what each day's ride is going to be like. There's going to be rides on the beach, rides in the mountains, Griffith Park, I don't know, all sorts of his most favoritist rides here in sunny Southern California. I make the worst ads ever. I suck. Anyways, I'll be there. All of the SoCal group will be there, so it'll be great for people to join us. It'll be a great vacation, and I don't know, come out, join us, have some fun, do some riding, have some boba. Important part, the boba. Anyways, hope you can join us. I will see if I can find links and put that in the description. Ooh. Otherwise, just contact Marty. And if you do happen to find me on Telegram, then I can add you into the group on Telegram. But I don't know where the link is. I'll try to find it. I'll try to find the Telegram link so that you can just click on that and go directly. But yeah, it should be lots of fun. He will put the description of the ride, and he'll also put in like what type of wheel is best for it. And let's see. If you need to bring food or water, he'll tell you all of that. He's done this before. So anyways, hope to see you there. Let me know if you're coming or not. And thanks, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.